The battery for the key of my 2016 Toyota Tacoma is dead, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace that battery. This install video will be applicable for all third generation Tacomas and many other Toyota models that share this same key. For the installation, you'll obviously need your key. You're going to need a new battery. It's a 2025. Got the new battery right here. Brand isn't all that important. And then a screwdriver or something else to get us a little leverage. Now on your key, you'll see that down in this corner, it's got this little gap here. We're just going to take this screwdriver and just kind of gently pry it in there until you see we get a little separation. So essentially this key just splits in half. Once we get it open, you'll see we've got this little circuit board. Be very gentle with it. Pull it out and you'll see that we've got the old battery right here. How to get that out? Again, I'll just put this in here and gently pry out that old battery. And then we'll take a new one, pop it into place. Again, this guy flips down on that side. And then we'll take the other half of the key and we'll pop it back together. And there you go. With that, the installation is complete. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the section below. For more videos of the third generation Tacoma, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.